MD Franchisee. This is basically a bundle of 6 hot selling agency app. If you are running an agency for software, then this bundle is for you. You can purchase this bundle, and inside this bundle you will get 6 hot selling agency app. And this is the sales page of that bundle, and here you'll get the Sosikek social media traffic shoot, and then design bundle app suite, and like that there you'll get 6 hot selling apps. And before going into the details of the sales page, I want to show you that this is the high quality review where I have written the complete review of this product. If you want to purchase this product, then you can read what are the pros, cons, features, and what you will get inside this bundle if you want to purchase for this software for your agency. And inside you'll get everything like what are the softwares. You'll get 6 apps: Sosikek reseller, design bundle reseller, agency breeze reseller, lead grow reseller, Udiwala reseller, and client finder reseller. And you will get all the reseller license also with this app. And the main part I want to show you that if you purchase this from my affiliate link, I will put this link in the description below. From there you can access this review page, and if you purchase this software from this review page, you will receive additionally 17 exclusive bonuses. The bonuses are in the below sections of the review page. You will get check my exclusive bonus packages here, and the bonuses are WP Slideshow Master plugin. This is a plugin for WordPress. Video watermark, one-click sketch, Pinterest plugin, WordPress YouTube video gallery, WordPress responsive slider, a video course for Bing and mastery training, crazy traffic explosion and ebook, an Instagram growth ebook, and Ninja Facebook advertising, 10K a month online, and free traffic frenzy. WP Clockcar Commission is a plugin, and Messenger auto reply, WordPress social stream, image link WordPress plugin, and Instagram growth. There are 17 exclusive bonus packages you will get when you will purchase this from my review page. And also you will get the complete review. If you want, you can read this review. And about the price section, the full price of the 6 app are $247 only, and if you pay one time, and you can split pay on 3 part, that is $97 each. And again come to the one thing more, that is if you want a official demo of this product, then you can definitely visit here and you can.
Immediately you pick up your copy, you get instant access to your very own sleek and ready to go reseller panel, where you can start creating and managing users across all 5.
From here you can learn everything about what you will get inside this bundle and how to work with this software. And these things you will know. If you want the official demo video, definitely you can visit my review page, and from there you can see this small video of official demo video. And all the things that what will get inside every application, you can learn from there. And the best thing is they are also providing additional bonuses here, like vendor bonus. They are providing 4 exclusive bonuses with these 6 applications, and the price is for 6 application, the price is I think the price is very much low, because this much of amount you can spend for your software agency, because it is very much useful applications for any software business or any agency business. So this is very much small investment for 6 hot applications, and there you will get additional bonuses also. And if you purchase this from my page, I am giving you 17 exclusive bonuses. And from their sales page also, you can learn everything, that what are the requirements of this for your agency. And here you can see that there is a 30 days unconditional money back guarantee. That means if you found the software is not useful for you and this is not required or somehow you are not satisfied with this software, then definitely you can return it within 30 days of your purchase. They will return you full amount of money if you are not satisfied, and they will not ask any questions. Okay, so this is the software bundle, and this is, as I said earlier, that the price is one time price is $247, and the split, if you make it on 3 part, then you have to pay $97 for each split. And there you will get, here you will get all the that's the gist of that software, that what I will get exactly: client printer reseller license, Sosicake reseller license, design bundle reseller license, agency bliss, lead grow reseller, Duala reseller. You will get client, you own client panel to manage customers, high converting marketing material included, priority support, high speed software servers, top notch dedicated development, update and upgrades included, launch special bonuses. These are the things you will get when you purchase, and there are 4 exclusive bonuses. These are the bonuses done for you: webinar funnel and mega exclusive bonus vault, exclusive Gmail ad support, ad report, A to Z product launch guide. These are the exclusive bonuses you will get from the vendor end. And these are the details of each software, each application, and what you will get inside each application you can see from here. So that's all about this bundle of the product. And if you want really this, if you want a complete review, you can definitely visit my review page, and there, from there you will get all the pros, cons, and all the features details you can learn, and you can get the details of everything. So this is all about MD franchisee review. And if you want, definitely visit my page, and from there you can purchase, and you will get 17 exclusive bonuses from my end. You don't need to go anywhere. Whenever you will purchase from this review page, you will receive the bonus. There will be receive a purchase, next to your purchase dashboard you will find a link, and inside that link you will find 17 exclusive bonuses. On your JVZoo purchase dashboard you will receive the bonuses. You don't need to go anywhere, you don't need to mail to me or nothing else. If you face any kind of problem or to receive the bonuses, you just send an email to this email address, and I will solve it, I will sort it out if you face any problem. So that's all about this software. And if you like this video, definitely hit the like button, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. And also, if you like this product, definitely go through and purchase this product, and this is exclusively good and no brainer deal for you. So thank you for today. Bye bye.